Hello children, now again I am going to do an interesting activity, okay, related to maths. Okay, you have learned to count different objects, है ना. I have sent you some videos. मैंने कुछ videos आपको भेजा था जिसमें आप लोगों ने forward counting objects को count करना सीखा है, ठीक है ना. So today again we will do an activity related to forward counting. Okay, firstly what I will do, I will write here forward counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, in this way I have written forward counting 1 to 10. Okay, now I will take some bindis. What I will take, I will take some colorful bindis, red bindis. In this way you can take any color bindis. आप किसी कलर की bindis ले सकते हो. Okay, and by the help of these bindis we are going to learn to count. Okay, forward counting. We are going to learn forward counting 1 to 10. Okay, now tell me what is this? What is this? 1. What is this? 1. And what we will do? We will paste here one bindis. One bindi. Okay, हम लोग 1 के जगह पे एक बिंदी पेस्ट करेंगे. But what is this? Which number is this? This is 2. So what I will do? I will paste here how many bindis? 2 bindis. How many bindis? 2 bindis. In this way. Okay, now again what is this? Which number is this? This is 3. Now what I will do? I will paste 3 bindis here. Okay, I will paste here 3 bindis. Okay, in this way. 1 2 and 3 bindis. Okay, now how many bindis are here? 1 2 3. Okay, now for 4 I will paste here 4 bindis. Okay, in this way. 1 2 3 4 bindis. Okay, now again I will paste here how many bindis? 5 bindis, है ना. 1 2 3 4 and 5 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 bindis. Okay, now for 6 how many bindis I will paste here? 6 bindis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 bindis. कितने बिंदीज हैं यहाँ पर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 bindis. And again which number is this? This is 7. And now we will again paste here 7 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bindis. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bindis. Which number is this? This is 8. Okay, and for 8 we will paste 8 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bindis. Okay, now again for 9 how many bindis I will paste here? 9 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 7 8 9 bindis है ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bindis. Okay, now for 10, how many bindis I will paste here? 10 bindis. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and last one 10. How many bindis? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 bindis. Okay, in this way children you will have to complete this activity. Okay, आपको इस तरह से काउंटिंग करनी है बिंदीज की 1 to 10 and you have to paste the bindis here. Okay, 1 for 1 1 bindi, for 2 2 bindis, 3 3 bindis, 4 4 bindis. In this way. Okay children, and dear parents, the benefits, क्या बेनिफिट्स है इस एक्टिविटी को करने में? चिल्ड्रन विल सिट इन वन प्लेस. ओके, एक जगह पे वो कुछ देर तो बैठेंगे. उसके बाद ये बिंदीज जो वो निकाल कर पेस्ट करेंगे उससे उनकी फिंगर मसल्स स्ट्रांग होगा. ओके, वो इजी वे में काउंटिंग सीखेंगे. आई कोऑर्डिनेशन होगा, वो कंसंट्रेट करेंगे अपने वर्क पे. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन. सो चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज complete this activity and send me the pics. Okay.